Welcome to our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel. If you are searching for innovative ways to optimize space in small bedrooms while adding a touch of creativity and fun, you are in for a treat. In this video, we will unveil a collection of cool bunk bed designs that are perfect for small bedrooms. Bunk beds are not just for kids anymore, they have evolved into stylish and functional solutions for compact living spaces. Join us as we explore these space saving wonders and discover how they can transform your small bedroom into a trendy, efficient, and exciting sanctuary. Number one is space saving marvel modern bunk bed with storage. Our first segment showcases a modern bunk bed design that combines smart storage solutions with sleek aesthetics. You will be amazed by the cleverly integrated drawers, shelves, and built in cabinets that keep your belongings organized and clutter free. This design proves that small bedrooms can be both chic and practical. Number two is the ultimate playhouse bunk bed with a slide. Who says bunk beds are not only for sleeping? In this section, we will feature an extraordinary bunk bed with a slide, turning bedtime into playtime. This fun and creative design are perfect for kids and the young at heart. Witness how this imaginative addition brings joy and excitement to any small bedroom. Number 3 is elevated elegance loft bunk bed with desk. For students and remote workers, a loft bunk bed with a built-in desk is a game changer. This segment will explore how this multifunctional design creates a dedicated workspace without sacrificing floor space. Say goodbye to cluttered desks and hello to an organized and stylish work area. Number 4 is bunk bed nooks, cozy and chic. Creating a cozy nook within a small bedroom has never been easier with our featured bunk bed nooks. Discover how these charming designs offer a private retreat for relaxation and reading. We will show you how to add curtains, fairy lights, and personal touches to make this space truly yours. Number 5 is modern minimalism, sleek bunk bed designs. If you appreciate clean lines and a minimalist approach, this segment is for you. We will present a sleek and stylish bunk bed design that perfectly complements contemporary interiors. You will be inspired by the seamless integration of this bed into a small bedroom, creating an cluttered and sophisticated look. When it comes to small bedrooms, finding clever ways to maximize space while maintaining a stylish and inviting atmosphere is essential. Enter the world of cool bunk and designs. Bunk beds are no longer just a practical solution for kids' rooms. They have evolved into innovative and creative designs that cater to all ages. In this article, we will explore a range of cool bunk bed ideas that are perfect for small bedrooms. These space saving wonders offer much more than just a place to sleep. They bring charm, functionality, and a touch of fun to even the coziest of living spaces. One of the standout features of cool bunk bed designs for small bedrooms is their ability to combine functionality with creativity. Modern bunk beds often come equipped with storage solutions that make the most of every inch of space. Cleverly integrated drawers, shelves, and built in cabinets provide ample room to store away belongings, keeping the room organized and clutter free. The designs strike a balance between form and function, ensuring that aesthetics are not compromised for efficiency. For those looking to inject a sense of adventure into their small bedroom. Bunk beds with playful additions are an exciting option. Imagine having a bunk bed with a slide, turning bedtime into an exhilarating experience for kids and adults alike. These fun and imaginative designs bring a smile to your face every time you climb up or slide down, making bedtime routines a joyous affair. Incorporating workspaces into small bedrooms can be a challenge, but not with loft bunk beds. These designs elevate the sleeping area, creating space underneath for a built-in desk. This clever setup provides a dedicated workspace without taking up precious floor space. Loft bunk beds are particularly popular among students and remote workers who appreciate having a designated area for productivity and focus. Bunk bed nooks are another brilliant concept that offers a cozy and chic escape within a small bedroom. By creating a tucked away corner, these designs transform the sleeping area into a private retreat for relaxation, reading, or simply unwinding after a long day. The addition of curtains, fairy lights, and personal touches adds a touch of individuality to these charming spaces. Lastly, cool bunk bed designs can also embrace modern minimalism. These sleek and streamlined bunk beds complement contemporary interiors with their clean lines and understated elegance. The simplicity of the design creates an uncluttered and sophisticated look, making the most of the available space while exuding sense of calm and tranquility. Cool bunk bed designs for small bedrooms prove that limitations in space need not restrict creativity and functionality. From clever storage solutions to playful additions, these designs offer versatility, charm, and practicality in equal measure. Whether you are seeking a multifunctional solution, a touch of adventure, or a sleek and modern aesthetic, these cool bunk bed ideas are sure to elevate your small bedroom into a captivating and comfortable haven. There you have it, a delightful array of cool bunk bed designs for small bedrooms. From functional storage to playful slides, from integrated workspaces to cozy nooks, these bunk beds offer practicality, creativity, and style in one compact package. Embrace the versatility and charm of these space saving wonders to transform your small bedroom into an oasis of comfort and innovation. Therefore, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others seeking ingenious solutions for their small living spaces. Thank you for joining us.